Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now, 1 o'clock in Pattar Ocean Beach. I'm going to Old Rock Hotel. It is approximately 13 kilometers from here. Probably I'll reach there 17 minutes. Let's do it. Wow. Beautiful. Look at this. There, Old Rock Hotel. You can see from there. One kilometer from here. 2 minutes. Hello po. So you have admission fee for adult 50 pesos, seniors 30 pesos. Swimming pool admission fee is like adult 250 pesos if you want to swim in the swimming pool. Senior 200 pesos, kids 150 pesos. Let me see whether I will swim or not. We'll decide later. Okay, yeah. Information. Let's see. You have a souvenir shop? Yeah, I'm going to fly my drone. I'm a blogger. Yeah, something like that. I just came to Pattar, so I know this. I came to know this place is fantastic.
Yes.
So I came here to look. So here's the registration. How much it is?
50 pesos.
50 pesos. Okay, that's a Old Rock Hotel. You can go through the steps over there. Let's try. Let's try the steps. Wow. It's fun. Okay, just a quick look from here. Wow. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Look at that. How it is. Beautiful. Wow. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. That's a swimming pool area. Let's have a look. Look at this place. Looks like it's made of a rock. Wow. Looks like some kind of stage program area. Live stage program. Wow. Look at it. How beautiful it is. Nice. Looks like a bar. Fantastic over there. Look. You have a second level also. I don't want to go to the second level. That's a bar. It's good. I'm going to go to the swimming pool, small swimming pool first. This is nice. Wow. Beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. Beautiful. So we are going to see the private pool for the guests. It's right there. Let's see. Wow. That's nice. We have a sliding over there. That looks huge. That looks very huge sliding. Wow. I wonder how much the price to take a room over here per night. That's a big slide. That's a slide. That's a place. Okay. I want to go upstairs. Oh, sorry. Working. Renovation going on over here. Wow, hello. Look from here. Woo. It's beautiful. Okay. The door was closed, so we cannot go to the top level to see the sliding. Such a big place. I don't think so I've seen this much a big place hotel so far in my life. Such a big area. Let's see the comfort room for male. Look at that. Wow, pretty clean. Wow, pretty clean also. Okay, let's put some lights over here. There's a multiple level here. There's a one level. This is another level. Let's see how it goes. Ah, small swimming pool. Look like a garden wipe. That's nice. Seriously. You have a jumping pole, back flip also. Rules. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.